SAM Outillage is a 100-year-old company dedicated to the manufacture and marketing of hand tools. Its products are used primarily in maintenance, servicing, and repair operations in the industry and automotive sectors. Due to the rise in sales experienced in recent years, the company has reorganized its 1.5 acres of warehouse space to make the most of it and optimize all picking operations. We chose Mecalux for 5 main reasons. First, it's shown itself to be a partner, not merely a supplier. Second, it was able to work with us to devise a solution that perfectly meets our needs. Third, the automated line we designed together enables us to manage 85% of our total logistics flow. Additionally, all operations are organized around the automated warehouse for boxes, which occupies less than 25% of the surface area of the entire logistics center. And finally, the installation we co-designed definitely meets our objective of a rapid return on investment. The solution implemented by Mecalux combines an automated warehouse for boxes containing small parts with pallet racks. The automated mini-load installation for boxes is made up of 3 aisles with double deep racking on each side. It has a storage capacity of 19,448 boxes. All order picking and consolidation operations are done at the front and sides of the automated warehouse, where a conveyor circuit moves the boxes at a speed of 148 feet per minute. This ensures continuous flows between the various work areas. 2 other operations essential for SAM are also carried out here. Kitting, whereby tool sets or cases are custom prepared for each client, and preparation of the rest of the orders, whether they comprise kits or individual tools. The automated installation is specifically designed to enhance these 2 operations, following the product-to-person method. Operators remain at their workstations, while stacker cranes and box conveyors bring them the goods they need. At the front of the warehouse are 2 kit preparation stations. Each of these workstations is wide enough for operators to sort the tools and quickly place them into the cases. The customer logo is also engraved here if required. 3 pick stations have been installed on the side of the automated warehouse for boxes. Operators can prepare orders directly in boxes or on pallets. To their left, they place goods in 4 boxes corresponding to 4 different orders. The right-hand side is reserved for larger orders put together on pallets. Orders are prepared with the materials contained in the boxes that arrive from the warehouse. The pick stations include put-to-light devices that guarantee maximum picking effectiveness. The displays show the exact number of products the worker has to place in each box to complete the order. Then, the operator presses a button to confirm they have completed the operation. At each pick station, 9 orders can be prepared simultaneously and in a completely safe manner. 4 in boxes, 4 in envelopes, and 1 on a pallet. Once the orders have been completed, they are sent to the consolidation area. There, the contents and weight are checked, and the documentation for each order is placed in the box. 2 operators are charged with palletizing the orders to be subsequently delivered. EasyWMS, the warehouse management system from Mecalux, oversees the automated installation. The transformation that SAM Outillage has undergone over the past few years has consolidated our company as an innovative French manufacturer in its sector. Thanks to this new, modern, and productive warehouse, SAM Outillage has optimized its logistics processes and boosted its throughput and storage capacity.